Clearing obstacles and drains can cause a lot of wear and tear on a clutch, even the one on the new RIDGID K-5208 drain cleaner. If your clutch goes bad on the job, the cable will slip or stop turning, and that can spell big trouble both for you and your customer, if you plan to get more work. That's why RIDGID made it quick and easy to change the clutch assembly on the K-5208 while you're on site. The RIDGID K-5208 is made for the tough institutional, commercial, and residential jobs. It clears clogged drain lines from 2 inches to 8 inches and up to 200 feet in length, using 7/8 and 1¼ inch diameter sectional cable. To start changing the clutch jaw assembly, just turn the adjustment knob to open the jaw set. Loosen the 2 screws with a flathead screwdriver and remove the cover. Unlock the clutch lever handle and allow to fully open. Remove the clutch jaw assembly. Align the new clutch jaw assembly with the clutch cones. Engage the clutch handle and lock in the closed position. Reinstall the clutch cover and tighten the screws, and you're good to go. It took just a few minutes, and the K-5208 is ready to get back to work. And you'll be ready too. A better, faster way to change the clutch jaw assembly. Just one of the many advanced features on RIDGID's new K-5208, the most powerful and compact sectional drain cleaner on the market. And you can take it anywhere. And like every tool from the brand with nearly 100-year history of quality craftsmanship, the RIDGID K-5208 sectional drain cleaner is tough, durable, and dependable, and comes with a full lifetime warranty.